Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a Spotify Wrapped not playing animations. So in order to do this, first of all open your Spotify application on your mobile phone or PC. Then click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now you will see some tools here. Here navigate to settings and privacy, that is the last gear icon, and it will show you this page. Here the first thing that you're going to do is click on content and display. Here, make sure that this button is turned on, that is, display short looping visuals on the now playing view. After toggling this switch on, go back and navigate to data saving and offline option. Here, you'll have to make sure that this button is either set at automatic or off. Make sure it is not turned on because it will lower streaming quality or disable other features that uses a lot of data like the Spotify Wrapped animations. Now, scroll down and in the offline section, make sure you have offline access enabled. Also, in the downloads and streaming section, you'll have to make sure that all of these buttons are turned off. After this, you can scroll down and click on the clear button after clear cache. This will free up space by clearing your data. That means you have more storage on Spotify to play those animations. As you can see, when you click on clear, this will clear useless cache from your application. Now you can go back and navigate to Wrapped and see if it's playing or not. As you can see, I'm easily able to play my Spotify Wrapped animations. Also, if this doesn't solve your problem, what you can do is navigate to Play Store, search for Spotify, then click on the uninstall button here, click on uninstall again and reinstall Spotify. Because reinstalling Spotify fixes temporary glitches and problems. Now, I will show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not playing animations on iPhone. So, in order to fix this problem on iPhone, first of all, navigate to settings on your iPhone, then click on, then scroll down and navigate to the section that says accessibility. After you click on that section, it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to click on the motion option. When you click on motion, it will take you to this motion page where you can turn this button off. So this is reduce motion button, and when you turn this button on, it will reduce the motion of the user interface, that is the UI of your mobile phone, including the parallax effects of icons. So make sure you simply turn this button off, that is reduce motion, and go back to your Spotify, and that will easily solve your problem. So that's how you fix a Spotify Wrapped not playing animations. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.